Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Din and today I'm going to show you how to prepare all your ingredients, mix your spices and then cook the final dish. A very simple method I'm going to use here, so follow the instructions carefully. Please pause the video now and write down all the ingredients you need to cook this dish. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, now is the time to subscribe. Hit the notification button so you get notified when I post new videos. So let's cook. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Din and I have a delicious recipe for you today. A lovely snack, also a starter dish what you can share with your guests, and it's so easy to make, and they're the most fluffiest onion bhajees you will ever try. And basically all the ingredients we need is onions and red lentils. So let's start getting our onions ready first, which is very important, because what we're going to do is get our onions all chopped up. We're going to mix it with spices and we're going to leave it for about half an hour so it releases some water. So I'm going to just let you watch this and I'll come back to you in the video. Right, now we've got our onions all chopped up, we're going to just chop up our green chilies and basically put that in the bowl. Now you can add another one or two if you wish, it depends on how hot you like it. And now we've got our chopped coriander goes in, we have our Kashmiri Chilli which is going to go in, and our salt as well, that goes in. This is a really easy recipe to do. That's our whole cumin seeds, and that's onion seeds or kalinjir, and that's fennel seed what just went in there, and some coriander powder, and the last of all is turmeric powder. Now what we want to do is give this a really good mix. Don't worry about squeezing it too hard, just give it a good mix, and we're going to leave this on the side for at least half an hour so it releases water. This is the key to making these onion bhajees. So now let's start making our red lentil meringue, as they say. So what I've done is soak the red lentils overnight, which is very important, and then just sieve it, and we're going to put this in the blender and blend it very smooth. You may need to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water just to get it going, but you don't want to add more than that really, and just blend it into a very smooth paste. While blending it, you may have to push it back down every now and again, just making sure that everything is blended to a smooth paste. This is the key to make these onion bhajees. What we're going to do is we're going to whisk these like a meringue basically, and make it really aerated so that it's got a lot of air, and this, would you believe, will give us our fluffy onion bhajees. Right, get your hand whisker. You can do this in a big KitchenAid mixer as well if you want, but I'm using a hand whisk, and what we want to do is, just like meringue, we're going to kind of make it all aerated and fluffy, so this will go into our onions, and we're not going to mix it too much. We're going to just fold it in, which you will see happening a little bit later. Now just check the onions that there isn't too much water. If you see there's water sitting underneath the onions, then just tip it out gently. We don't want too much excess water. Now we've put our lentil mixture in. As you can see, it looks like a cream now. So what we're going to do is just gently fold it in. We want to keep as much air as possible. This is the key to make these onion bhajees. Right, this is about it. As you can see, it's nicely folded in now. So remember, this has no eggs or any baking powder or any ingredient to bind it together. All we're doing is using lentils to bind everything together, and all that flavour is going into the lentils. Now get a frying pan like you see here, and with 2 spoons. You don't need to put your hand in. With 1 spoon, get a spoonful, and then with the other, just push it in. As you can see, as soon as I put it in, it floats to the top. That shows there's a lot of air in this. Now the temperature to this shouldn't be too hot, and it shouldn't be cold. I'm kind of playing around with this as I'm putting more in. I'm either putting it up, then reducing the flame a little. And I'm using a small burner. At the moment it's on the highest setting, so I'm going to turn that down to the next notch and let that cook gently. You have to let each one cook gently, then flip it over and so on until they're nice and golden brown. As you can see here, they're becoming golden brown, and also if you push it down with your fork, if they feel really firm, that means they're fully cooked, and that's when you can start taking them out. That is the key. Just push it down. If it feels hard, that means they're nice and cooked inside, and they're going to be lovely and crispy outside. So what you want to do is serve these with a nice mint sauce. I have that recipe on my channel as well, or with maybe a sweet chili sauce as well, which would go really nice. But you have to try this. It's so easy to make, and you'll be surprised how good they are. The reason you see that there's not many on this little plate is because I'm eating them as I'm going along, because they're so nice. Anyway, this is my fluffy onion bhajees. Give them a go, you know. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It doesn't take a lot. Let's help this channel grow and let everyone know about the recipes, because they are good recipes and you won't be disappointed, especially if you try this one. They are absolutely delicious. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hope to see you soon in my next video.